Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken wings updated. Start by patting wings dry and seasoning with salt, pepper, and paprika, then preheat your oven or fryer to the right temperature. Let the wings rest briefly so the seasoning adheres and the skin dries for crisping. Cook to an internal temperature of 165 degrees F and toss in sauce immediately for the best glaze and texture today. Start with clean, dry wings and trim any excess skin or tips, then pat them thoroughly to remove moisture so the heat crisps the skin properly. Mix a dry rub of salt, pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of sugar to balance flavors, then massage the rub into wings evenly. Let them sit for at least 20 minutes at room temperature for best results. You can bake, fry, or air fry wings depending on equipment and desired crisp. For oven baking, cook at 425 degrees F on a wire rack for about 40 minutes, flipping halfway to brown evenly. For air frying, 380 degrees F for 22 minutes usually yields crisp skin, shaking the basket a couple times. For deep frying, 350 degrees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.